Okay, welcome back. So we're doing question 5, which turns out to be quite a problem, involve quite a lot of problem solving. So we'll do it together here. Okay, so let's look at the question. If A is the first term, we know that A is always the first term, so there's no big deal there. And D is the common difference, so there's nothing in there that we didn't know already. Okay, term 2, write term 2 in terms of A and D. Okay, so for this we are going to use a formula, and I did say to you, even though there are quick ways of getting the general term, we may be forced into using a formula. The formula is excellent. It tells us that the term is made up of the first term plus a certain number of differences, but the number of differences is one less than the term you're at, than the number, the index, term 1, term 2, term 3, where you're at. Okay, so that's your formula. Okay, so when they ask for term 2 using the formula, or generally, and generally means we haven't said what A is or D is, but it doesn't matter, then you're going to go A, and what is 2 take away 1? 2 take away 1 is 1. We don't have to write it, so you get A plus D. Okay, that's that bit done. Next bit, term 4. Well, term 4, using the formula, is A plus this predecessor of 4, the number that comes before 4, which is 3. Okay, term 10 is A plus 90. So far, so good. In this arithmetic sequence, the fourth term is 14. So A plus 3D is 14. And here comes a bit of a mouthful here, a bit difficult here. In this arithmetic, the fourth term is 14, and the 10th term, A plus 90, is 4 times the second term. Well, okay, let's write that down. A plus 90 is equal to 4 times the second term. 4 times the second term. A plus 90 equals 4A plus 4D. Now we'll bring the A's and the D's to one side, and we'll get 3A minus 5D. Bringing 9D back, taking 9D away from this, you get minus 5D. Okay. So we're going to proceed with what's going to turn into a simultaneous equation, or it already has. A plus 3D equals 14, and 3A minus 5D equals 0. Okay, will we multiply the top by negative 3 to get rid of the A's, or you could have gone and multiplied the top by 5, or you could have done times 5 and times 3. It's all the one. Going with this option, we're only multiplying one line. The other line is kept the same. Three times 14 is 42. Negative 3 times 14 is negative 42. Okay, that's 3 times the top. The bottom stays as is. We add them, so we get elimination. Minus 14D equals negative 14. Change both sides. Change the sign of both sides. Divide by 14. And we get D equals 3. Go back to get A from the top line here. Call it equation 1. And you have A plus 3 times 3 equals 14. This is 9. Subtract 9 from both sides, you get A is 5. Just put it all together. A, D equals 5, 3. Now there might be another little bit of a question there. Let's see. Write the two equations A and D to represent this information. Done. Solve the equations to find the values of A and D. Done. bit of a stinker of a question. So I don't mind if you follow along with this video to help you solve it, but that's it, done. Okay, as always, students, I will see you in the next one.